Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. You might wonder, how vague can I be when I'm going to work on something? Does it have to be super clear? The answer is no, you can be really, really vague. I learned this for the first time when I was working with a friend of mine who had recently been in the hospital. She had her appendix burst and she got to the hospital in time and they removed everything and she was fine. So she was saying to me that, I still have this feeling in my back. She's pointing, saying, right around here. And she's showing me her back. And I'm thinking, well, I've just recently got out of acupuncture school. Which thoracic vertebra is that? Is that T7 or T8? And she said whenever this certain nurse would come in, I just get this uncomfortable feeling, and that feeling is still there. And I thought, I think we can just work on it without identifying it any more than that, without knowing, well, what happened? Why did it happen? How come it's with that nurse only? And it's still there. Why? It's just like somewhere around here at my back, not feeling good. So we worked on just that, and it cleared up. So you don't have to be specific at all. And if you have some feeling like, I've always kind of felt like something happened when I was 3 with my uncle, and I don't know, it just seems like it wasn't good, and I don't really know if it even happened. You can just work on that, put it in the pot, as we say. That's just where you're putting whatever it is you want to work on in that session, and work on it, and then notice how you feel before, notice how you feel after. That's all. So there you go. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.